Welcome. Today we are going to see chapter 7 Python functions. In this chapter we are going to see the concept of function and their types, difference between the user defined function and built-in function, call function, function arguments, anonymous function and mathematical and some string functions. These are all things we are going to discuss within this chapter Python functions. Already we have seen what is function. Functions are named blocks of code that are designed to do specific job. When you want to perform a particular task that you have defined in a function, you call the name of the function responsible for it. Before start that, we just see one small example for that. Now you are going to prepare for your exam. For that you are going to wake up in the early morning. What you will do for it? Generally we go with some alarm system, or else we ask some of our family members to wake up in the early morning, isn't it? Yes. Here you can see what will happen if that above two methods get failed. Automatically we cannot achieve the goal. Here the goal is we want to wake up early morning and prepare for the exam. That will be get failed. We cannot wake up when the above two method get failed. Okay, from here what we understand, the concept is the alarm is similar to our function or subprogram. How? If the subprogram get successful as per our plan, automatically the main achievement will be received, or else the main goal achieved very easily. It is used for a specific task to achieve the main result. If the defined function worked properly, we can reuse it whenever or wherever it is needed, and we can get the expected output. Now you can understand what is the importance of the function. So once the function or submodule gets successfully executed, we can execute and run the main program successfully. Now you see the main advantages of function. It avoids the repetitions. What is repetition? Doing the same thing or writing the same code again and again, and makes high degree of code reusing. Yes, the high degree of reusing in sense whenever wherever you want, you can just call it and use it. It provides better modularity for your application. Wherever you want to fix some such models, you can take and remodify and fix it for your need. So it provides a better modularity for your application. Next, definition of function. Function must be defined to create and use certain functionality. There are many built-in functions that comes within the language Python. The syntax for user defined function. First, the def keyword should be present, and then function name, then parameters. After that, the block of statement. What is block of statement? Block is one or more lines of code grouped together so that they are treated as one big sequence of statements while executing. Now see, the functions blocks begin with the keyword of def followed by the function name and then parentheses. The right side you can see that def odd or even, then a. Here def is the keyword, then odd even is the function name, then see the a is the parameter within the closes of parentheses. Any input parameter or argument should be placed within the parentheses. Here we place the a. You define a function, the code block always comes after a colon. See the last ending, we just placed one colon. And its intent. Intent is nothing but you are going to give some space such this code is dependent to the above certain decision making or for loop, so that we want to maintain the indentation. Very careful about that indentation in programming of Python. The statement return expression exists function, optionally passing back an expression to the caller. Wherever the function is called, it returns some value to the called place or the main function. A return with no argument is the same as return more. See here, if a divided by 2 is equal to 0. This function is used for odd or even method. When it was modular division successful with 0 remainder, then we consider that number as a even number. So return 1, else return 0. Here we are going to get the number, then the if condition is provided. After that, print the given number is even, else if the given number is odd. This is one kind of program. We can see that within the Python function, we want to know about the advantages of user defined function. Main thing is function can help us to divide a program into modules. This makes the code easier to manage. It implement code reuse. Already we have seen what is reuse. Every time you need to execute a sequence of statement, all you need to do is to call the function. That is enough. You just call the function whatever we already used. Function allow us to change functionality easily. Then different programmer can work on different functions. This is very main important thing. The function allow the user to change functionality. If suppose you want to take one previous installed or previous created function, for your need you can make some changes within that function. This is allowable in the Python. Second thing, different programmers can work on different functions. If such a big program, you can divide into many parts and give to the multiple programmers. They can work in different functions. Then we can rejoin it for the main full structure. Thank you for watching this video.